Kevin OLeary revealed how Shiba Inu Coin will replace Bitcoin. Shib price will skyrocket soon. Shark Tank star Kevin OLeary, aka Mr. Wonderful, has shared his cryptocurrency investment strategy. He revealed that 20% of his portfolio is now in cryptocurrencies and blockchain. The whole point is you don't know who's going to win. Today we're going to talk all about what Kevin OLeary just revealed about his crypto portfolio and why he might invest in Shib Coin. Welcome to Shiba Inu Coin, your daily dose of Shiba. If you are interested in everything around Shiba, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the Shib news, predictions, and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Make sure to hit the like button for us to provide you with more Shib news. Don't forget to enable all notifications to join our weekly cash giveaway pinned in the comments. Before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of Shiba is doing on the 21st of March, shall we? Shiba Inu price has been on a downtrend for quite some time and shows no sign of volatility or hints at reversals. However, these things might change soon as Shib is at an inflection point. Shiba Inu price builds a launchpad. Shiba Inu price dropped 37% after rallying 75%. This uptrend, followed by a slow decline, took place from early February to March 19th. Interestingly, the rally was preceded by a tight consolidation range, and the retracement also seems to be creating a similar origin point, suggesting that an explosive move is likely. Over the past 5 weeks, Shib bulls have been getting hammered by a declining trend line connecting the swing highs. As Shiba Inu price trades at 223 10/millionths of a dollar, there's a good chance an uptrend could trigger if the bulls shatter through the declining trend line. However, an ideal scenario would include market makers pushing Shib below the 202 10/millionths of a dollar support level to collect liquidity before heading higher. Regardless of where the uptrend originates, investors can expect Shib to make a run for the immediate resistance barrier at 283 10/millionths of a dollar. From the current position, this move would constitute a 25% ascent, but from 202 10/millionths of a dollar, it would represent a 40% gain. Now let's get back to the topic. Kevin, who has a background as a venture capitalist and software investor, always uses his experience during financial decisions. In a recent interview, he discussed how crypto fits into his diversified portfolio and how he looks at NFTs compared with cryptocurrencies. Meanwhile, talking about the importance of a strong developers team behind a cryptocurrency, Kevin said, "I know the market is going to be the market. It will determine the winners and the losers of these platforms. But at the end of the day, it's the really strong creative software engineers that you want to bet on." Shiba Inu Coin, which has become the superstar of cryptocurrencies and is ranked at number 13th amongst the world's most valuable digital assets, has a strong developer team. The team behind Shiba Inu has been making Shiba Inu more profitable for its holders and investors. The recent achievement of Shib developers is the launching of Doggy DAO that will enable the Shib community to decide on the Shib ecosystem. Phase 1 of Doggy DAO, dubbed DAO 1, will allow users to vote on crypto projects in trading pairs. It's the biggest achievement that any meme token has ever had. Shiba Inu Coin has been evolving to eliminate the tag of meme token that has been following it since its creation. The launch of Decentralized Autonomous Organization, or DAOs, has proved Shiba Inu Coin more than a meme coin. With the new Shibaswap platform, the price of Shiba Inus will rise. Shibaswap, Shiba Inu's new decentralized cryptocurrency exchange, will start soon. It's a cryptocurrency exchange similar to Uniswap or PancakeSwap. The network has been operational for weeks, according to social media, but it is currently being reviewed to assure complete security and transparency. Buyers will be able to trade Shib for other tokens on the new decentralized exchange, enhancing the newcomer's visibility among crypto investors. There are also rumors that Kevin OLeary might also invest in Shib because of its popularity. As we all know, Kevin revealed that 20% of his portfolio is now in cryptocurrencies and blockchain. Kevin OLeary's cryptocurrency investment strategy. OShares ETF's chairman and Shark Tank star Kevin OLeary has shared his crypto investment strategy in an interview with CNBC on Friday. Firstly, he said 1/5 of his investment holdings are tied up in cryptocurrencies or companies operating in the crypto space. Mr. Wonderful said, "I have millions of dollars. 20% of my portfolio is now in cryptocurrencies and blockchain." In November last year, he said that crypto accounted for 10% of his portfolio. His investments in cryptocurrency exceeded his gold investments for the first time in October last year. OLeary was asked whether some cryptocurrencies will be around in a decade. Noting that he factored that risk into his strategy, the Shark Tank star emphasized, "You have to be diversified. I own 32 different positions, including equity FTX itself." OLeary became a paid ambassador and spokesperson for FTX, the crypto exchange founded by 30-year-old billionaire Sam Bankman-Fried in August last year. The Shark Tank star elaborated, "The whole point is you don't know who's going to win. Is Ethereum going to win? Is Solana going to win? Is it Helium or is it Avalanche? I own them all." Commenting on the executive order on the regulation of cryptocurrency signed by President Joe Biden on Wednesday, Mr. Wonderful said, "It wasn't an all-out ban, so that's good news." Many people in the crypto industry welcome Biden's executive order. Some say it provides legitimacy to crypto, while others are glad that it does not contain extremely restrictive measures they had anticipated. However, OLeary expressed concerns about the way Biden's directive includes an emphasis on climate risks associated with cryptocurrency. He said he sold his positions in publicly traded Bitcoin mining firms after Biden's executive order. Last week, the celebrity investor revealed that he had a meeting with a group of U.S. senators regarding cryptocurrency regulations, particularly how they apply to institutional investors. He has been saying for quite some time that the price of Bitcoin will appreciate dramatically when institutions are able to invest in cryptocurrency. He expects that it would take 2 to 3 years. That's all for today. Also, we would like to mention that this is not a channel intended specifically to provide financial advice, and we do not ask you to invest in any company. This is merely a channel directed towards bringing educational content to your doorsteps. With that in mind, before you invest in anything, we recommend you do thorough, wide-spectrum research on the topic. We hope you like this video. Let us know in the comments below if you're a Shiba holder, and make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time, Shiba Inu Coin. Bye!